everyone, welcome to Viking Exos. Let's make an Exo. This is a whole new channel, a whole new approach. This is a limited series where we were going to take the idea and make this into a fully functioning exoskeleton. If you're into engineering, if you're into robotics, if you're into just making cool stuff, then you're in the right place. If you're familiar with my channel, you'll know that in the past my videos have been long and drawn out. In this series, we're doing this wholly different. Each episode is going to be tight. Each episode is going to be focused. It's going to be packed with real insight, no fluff, just journey from concept to creation. So this is how it's going to go. Episode 1, design it. When we put it together, what do we use? What's the best way for it? What's it going to do? What's the actual process that we're actually going to do for it? How we're going to put this together. Episode 2, simulate it. When we're considering about an exoskeleton, how do we even approach these types of things? After all, it's designed for a human body. How do we take a mechanical structure and put it into something sensible? It's a little crazy in the actual overall process. Episode 3, how do we make it? What's the process for it? Do we just print it? Do we machine it? What do we do? And what's the right way of being able to actually think about it? So how do we even take that next step? And then finally, how do we test it? Episode 4. This is the big one. It's all right making it. It's all right simulating it. It's all right just taking it to that process. But how do we test it? How do we know that it's something sensible that we can operate with? In this episode, we'll bring together some friends from ASTM, where I'll try and bring people in from industry, and we'll ask them, how do they test it? What's the best way around it? What's the process for it? So many questions. My goal of this series is to show you that with the right process and the right tools, and what you can achieve, even if you're on a tight budget. Whether you're a student, whether you're a hobbyist, whether you're an industrial professional, I want this series to be a valuable, inspirational, and insightful process. If this is something that's really up your street, if this is something that you think, you know what, I want to know more, please do put comments. Tell me what I could do better. Tell me what you really want to ask further questions about, and I want to try and help. This is a growing technology, and anywhere around the world you will see this exploding left, right and center. It's an exciting time, so let's make this as exciting as possible. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Okay, let's make an Exo.